family? It's your boy King Demeron, man. Everybody like, subscribe, and comment. Roll to 7K subs, man. Today I'm finna react to the Dramatics in the Rain. Man, this eye is killing me, bro. So yeah, but I'm finna react to the Dramatics in the Rain. This is finna be my first song I ever heard by them. I believe so. You know, I done reacted to so many songs with different artists, different groups. So I think this is my first time hearing them. I should have searched it up, but it'll be alright. I'll go ahead and get it straight into it, but I ain't gonna waste no time. Let me shut my phone down. This middle sound tough though.
I wanna go outside in the rain.
I gotta stop it already, cause boy, this instrumental sounds so tough though. It's so different, but so tough. Like, oh my god, I'm loving this instrumental right now.
It may sound crazy, but I wanna go outside in the rain.
Man, I love this instrumental, man.
'Cause I think I'm gonna cry.
Come on.
I don't want you to see me cry. I wanna go outside in the rain. It may sound crazy, but I wanna go outside.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, this sounds so tough. It sounds so tough. I just try to turn the volume up, cause like, bro, I need to hear this louder, boy. Hold on. All right. Good request. I ain't gonna lie to you. Good request, bro. This sounds so good, bro. I'm liking this so far.
Once the rain starts falling on my face, you won't see a single trace of the tears I'm crying. Because of you I'm crying. Don't want you to see me cry. Let me go, let me go, let me go. Once the sun comes out and the rain is gone away, I know I'm gonna see a better day. Right now I think I'm crying. Because of you I'm crying. Don't want you to see me cry. Let me go, let me go, let me go. In the rain, it may sound crazy, but it may sound crazy.
everything about this is nice. Ad libs on point. The instrumental is so tough. Oh my god, I just think it's just so different. Like I never heard anything like this instrumental. Man, bro, just like the voices switching up on that one part, bro, was tough. Like, bro, this is tough, bro.
Wanna go outside in the rain.
Come on. Hit. This is a hit. No. This is a hit. W request. I can't lie. W request. This is one part I'm listening to. I want to go outside. It makes something crazy. I'm going to say, I think I'm going to cry. I don't want you to see me come. I'm going outside. This is one part I'm listening to again. Hold on.
In the rain.
Oh, this is one part again. Hold on. I'm going to tell you when I find it.
It may sound crazy, but I wanna go outside. I think I'm gonna cry. And I don't want you to see me cry. I wanna go outside.
10 out of 10 for sure. 10 out of 10 for sure. This song is a hit. Everything about this song is so nice. I'm adding this to the playlist right now. This song is a hit. They sounded so good together. Yeah, they sounded so good together. Matter of fact, me and Mrs. Jones. Hold on. Cause I know me and Mrs. I may react to that song too. Cause I know a Me and Mrs. Jones song by Billy Paul, I think. I may react to that song right after this. Cause I know Billy Paul, I think, version of Me and Mrs. Jones. But no, this song was nice. This song was nice. 10 out of 10 for sure. I love this song. W request, man. I appreciate y'all for requesting this song, man. Keep tuning in. Like, subscribe, and comment. Road to 7K subs, man. And I'm out of here. Alright, y'all.
I'm in a coat full of money makers and go-getters. Get it straight, I'm my biggest critic, I can make no error. What's the point of hanging on the